how to fix no longer have access to these on Facebook. So if you're facing a problem with Facebook and if it says that you no longer have access to these, then you can simply go for your search, like your Google search or anything, and then you can search for accessing and downloading, or you can also go for your browser and then you can search it, and after that here on the first search you will have accessing and downloading your Facebook information. Tap on that, and then here you have to enter account access troubleshooting, which is on the second, and then you have to tap on my account has been disabled. And here if you think your account was disabled by mistake, please submit an appeal. So tap on submit an appeal and then scroll down, and here what to do if you think that your account was disabled by mistake. You have this, right? So under that, in the first paragraph, on the last line of that first paragraph, you will have use this form to request a review. So simply tap on that, which is written with a blue ink, and here you have to enter your information, like you have to enter your login email address or your phone number, and then you have to enter your full name as it is listed on the account, and you can also choose files like G. You can also choose some files if it is possible, and then after entering that you can simply send. Tap on send, and Facebook will help you. After that, Facebook might help you with some steps, and then you can recover your account. So that's it. These were the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.